There are more slip and fall accidents in New York City than in any other city in America. A slip and fall just basically means that someone fell because of a transient condition, such as a puddle, it could be water, oil, it could be a piece of fruit like a banana. The foot slips and the person falls down, either to the left or back, due to the defective condition. A slip and fall case is important, and the way we handle slip and fall cases is we investigate the scene, we hire experts if needed, and we file a lawsuit to protect the client's rights. With respect to a slip and fall case, the important thing to consider is that the condition is transient, meaning it's going to disappear shortly thereafter, such as a water puddle that could just be wiped away. Because of that, it's important to be able to prove notice. Notice basically means that the defendant either knew or should have known about that defective condition, such as a water puddle. In order to prove notice, we would have to either prove that someone complained to the defendant about the puddle, saying, hey, you guys have a puddle here, please clean it up. And they say, oh yeah, sure, we'll get to it. And then they don't. And then sometime later, a client falls and gets injured. That's one way of proving notice. Another way is to show that the puddle existed for a period of time. For example, if somebody saw the puddle 3 or 4 hours prior to the fall, didn't complain to anybody about it, but just happened to notice it. Now the puddle's been in existence for 3 to 4 hours. The law says that a defendant, such as a store or an apartment building super, should have found and remedied that puddle, considering it's been in existence for such a significant period of time. And the final way to prove notice in a slip and fall case is known as the caused and create theory. For example, if someone is mopping a floor and causes and creates a puddle and someone else slips in that, well, now we don't have to prove notice because they created the very condition that was the danger. If you've been injured in any type of accident, give us a call. We'd love to sit down with you and discuss the case. And there's never a legal fee until we win maximum compensation for you.